Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best gaming PC in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 gaming PCs that deliver unbeatable performance, smooth FPS, and future-proof hardware for all gamers. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the ZOTAC MEK AI Enhanced Gaming PC. The ZOTAC MEK AI Enhanced Gaming PC is designed for gamers who want power, simplicity, and reliability in one package. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and crafted in the USA, it's ready to go right out of the box with a 1-year system warranty and 3-year GPU warranty. At its core, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 delivers AI-enhanced gameplay with DLSS and real-time ray tracing, paired with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 CPU for smooth multitasking and capable gaming performance. Supporting hardware includes 16GB DDR4 3200 RAM, a 500GB NVMe SSD for fast load times, and a 650W 80 Plus Gold PSU for stable power. Compact yet stylish, it features tempered glass, magnetic dust filters, and efficient airflow. Pros include great entry-level performance, modern connectivity, and easy setup, while cons are limited storage and a mid-tier GPU. Coming in at number 4 is the Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini. The Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini is a compact yet powerful PC built for smooth 1080p gaming. Powered by the Intel Core i3 and 10105F with up to 4.4 GHz boost and paired with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 4GB GPU, it handles popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty, and Elden Ring at ultra settings with 60+ FPS. Backed by 8GB DDR4, 3200 RAM, and a fast 500GB SSD, it ensures quick boot times and responsive performance, though some may find storage and memory limited for heavier workloads. The Chronos Mini stands out with its sleek mesh front case, RGB fans for efficient cooling, and no bloatware pre-installed, making it optimized out of the box. With free gaming peripherals, Windows 11 Home, and lifetime technical support, it's a great entry-level choice, though upgrading RAM and storage later may be necessary. At number 3, we have the STGAubron Gaming PC. The STGAubron Gaming PC is a versatile desktop designed for both gamers and multitaskers. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor up to 3.9 GHz, 16GB of RAM, and a fast 512GB SSD, it delivers responsive performance for gaming, streaming, editing, and even trading. Paired with the AMD Radeon RX 580 8GB graphics card, it handles popular titles like GTA 5, Warzone, Elden Ring, and Hogwarts Legacy at 60+ FPS and 1080p, making it a solid mid-range gaming choice. Connectivity includes multiple USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0 for modern flexibility. A standout feature is its fully decked-out RGB setup with 6 fans, case lighting, and included peripherals like a gaming keyboard, mouse, and RGB mousepad. Pros include strong multitasking power and value, while cons are its older GPU and limited upgrade headroom. Taking the number 2 spot is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is built to deliver smooth performance for gamers who want power and reliability. Equipped with the latest generation Intel Core processors and fast DDR RAM, it easily handles demanding tasks like HD video playback, streaming, and modern gaming. Paired with a dedicated graphics card, it ensures fluid gameplay and VR-ready performance across popular titles at high settings. The system's design is sleek, featuring tempered glass panels, customizable RGB lighting, and efficient cooling for long sessions. Pros include strong out-of-the-box performance, future-proof hardware choices, and a balance between gaming and multitasking. It's also backed by CyberPowerPC's reputation for quality builds. However, cons may include limited upgrade flexibility in some configurations and higher noise levels under heavy load. Overall, it's an excellent mid-range choice for gamers seeking a ready-to-play PC. And finally, our number one pick is the Skytech Azure Gaming PC. The Skytech Azure Gaming PC is a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand top-tier performance without compromise. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor with up to 4.6 GHz boost, 32 DDR4 RAM, and a lightning-fast 1TB NVMe SSD, it delivers seamless multitasking and rapid load times. The highlight is its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 8GB graphics card, offering cutting-edge ray tracing and AI-powered visuals, making it ideal for ultra settings in demanding titles like Elden Ring, Black Myth Wukong, and Call of Duty. Housed in a sleek tempered glass case with ARGB cooling fans, it combines style with airflow efficiency. Pros include exceptional performance, generous memory, and modern architecture, while cons may be its higher price and varying component brands. Overall, the Azure is an excellent choice for serious gamers seeking smooth 1080p and beyond with future-ready hardware. And there you have it, the top 5 best gaming PCs. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.